Hello guys, welcome to Trending Tube. Friends, my name is Biswa and in this video I'm going to show you a product from IKEA which is basically a vacuum flask. So this is a vacuum flask and this is basically works as a thermo flask as well, and the product name is called as HÄLSA, HALSA, HÄLSA, and this is a 500 milliliter of vacuum flask. So it's a steel vacuum flask, guys. It's not made up of plastic, it's a complete steel vacuum flask, okay? And then it is made in China. The price that is mentioned here is 599 rupees, or sorry, 559 rupees, but I got it for 479 rupees in Indian currency, which is approximately $8. So we will open it and we will see how this product looks like and how to refill the item. So guys, if you choose for different brands, like in India we do have, not in India, even abroad we have Milton as a maybe as a widely used or widely accepted brand, but this one I feel for the price that we pay for 500 ml, you can use it for your office use, you can use it for your personal use. Whenever you go office, you can definitely, if you have only one of this, you can utilize it for multiple purpose, okay? So if you see here, this is the item. Basically, if you see the neck, if you see the opener here, we have to press. Basically, once you press here, then you can able to pour the milk or pour the water, okay? So to fill the water, so if you see the inside of this particular product is also quite thick, guys, and the reason why it can hold the heat till 12 hours is because of the design that is made here. So let me quickly open the front. To open the front, you just have to open it like this, and if you see here, this particular, there is a rubber material over here which basically locks or unlocks whenever that you see. If you press it here, it will get unlocked, and when you press it here, it will get, see this item here, it is completely locked, so water will not be able to pass it through. So once you press it here, you are able to see the gap over here. So from this particular gap, the water will flow, okay? If you do keep milk for baby or baby food in the flask, make sure that this is only for a short time, and always clean the flask carefully afterwards, okay? Important, this vacuum flask is designed for keeping and serving drinks. Do not drink directly from the flask, okay? So if you see from inside, it's completely hollow and it's thick basically, guys, okay? So make sure that you first of all you put the hot water, okay? So this is a very simple process. I do have hot water with me. Let me put it here, okay? If you want to pour it, you can definitely pour it like this. If you are able to stabilize it, so there is a place from where the water is coming up, okay? So it will not come up from the top, but it will come up like this, okay? So it is very convenient for users to pour out the water, okay? This is one thing. So this is very, very important, guys, which I have shown you. If you want to close it, just press it, and then you will not be able to see water coming up, okay? So it's completely locked. 3 drops which went out because of the drops which was left over on the top, okay? So you are not able to see any of the water, any water coming here, okay? So just to lock it, just need to close the cap and then rotate it, okay? Done, guys. From the top or from the outer side, it is completely cold, and there is no heat also here, okay? So guys, I believe this is a good product, and you can use it for your baby milk or else your tea, or maybe you can utilize it for keeping hot water or hot milk as well. Make sure that you do not refrigerate or you do not put it on the oven. Thanks guys. I hope this video is helpful. Hit the like button if you guys really like it, and do comment on the comment section below if you have any question, and also subscribe to my channel for further updates, guys. Thank you and thanks for watching.